What's up, YouTube? HockeyStud1284 coming back at you guys. As promised, opened up Enforcers. In the game Enforcers 10-11. Let's show you guys what I got. Out of the 4 boxes I opened, I would say this is the worst box. Okay. Mason versus Reichel.
I got some bad news. Okay. The deal that I've been working on with Jason.
Let's see. Tough franchises: Tiger Williams, Bob McGill, Wendell Clark, and Ty Domi.
We just couldn't make it work. Just plain and simple. And
Bloody Enforcers battle: LaRoque against Ray.
Is that what you're saying?
well, I'm not saying I'm gonna quit, but I'm not
Record
gonna,
holders:
you know,
Brad May.
any deeper than where I'm at.
Well,
And Enforcers Tale of the Tape: Chara and Kosi. Okay, and the hits, we'll do the autos. Jim McKenzie. Let's see. Dave Brown. Joey Koser.
You know, it's a big step.
Dave Semenko. Used to protect Gretzky, I believe. Andre DuPont. And I got, let's see, Enforcers Combatants: Tiger Williams, 1 color, and Terry O'Reilly, 2 color. And the last hit was Enforcers Instigator, Boyd Kane, the sick 2 color. I don't know if you can see, it's just popping out over here. So that's sick. So I would say out of the 4 boxes I got, that is the worst one. But keep watching for the next boxes. Peace.